Hey, welcome to Think Creative TV. I'm Matt Pullen, and this is our place to share all about how to use your iPad creatively in your classrooms. If you enjoy these videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and then you'll be kept up to date on everything that we release. Now let's get stuck into today's video. So in this video, we're going to take a quick look at just some of the fun features that you can play around with in Adobe Spark Post. So let's jump straight in and take a look. Now, we know that there are loads of templates that we can choose from here, but we're going to start with some design work, and I'm going to go to my photo library. Now, let's imagine we were making a little bit of a birthday message to someone. So I've already created a little bit of an outline of something I wanted to use, which is just my Memoji holding a cake. And we can think about how we're going to set it out and everything. I'm just going to go with a square post for this. Let's imagine we're going to be sharing this on social media. I don't want any of these elements on the screen at this point. We're going to start really with just a happy birthday message. So go into our text, type in happy birthday, and there we go on our screen. Now what you'll notice straight away down the bottom is this circle, and what's great here is just the fun way you can just slide through different styles just really quickly, just kind of having a play around. Love this one, think it kind of works really nicely. I might reposition it a little bit. There we go. So that just really quick way that you can add in effects if you're not sure about what you want it to look like. Rather than having to go through each one of those fonts and try a different font, you can just really quickly just use that circle to just add in different elements. So let's just put in the name of the person, my go-to name for whenever I'm thinking of something else. This is quite nice, we've kind of got this, it's matched the same style as before. The overlap is quite nice, but let's have a look at what other things we could do, again, just by sort of turning that circle around. I quite like this one here. So again, it's just a really quick and simple way to just play around with just some different styles and not have to worry about going in too deep into thinking about different font names, etc. So there we go, just a quick tip for having a little bit of fun with Adobe Spark.